My name is Ty Darland. I'm the Senior Vice President and General Counsel of Georgia Pacific. We all must know our people. And to know our people is not just know their strengths and weaknesses at work, but also what may be going on with them, from a personal standpoint. During our lifetime, 1 out of every 2 adults in the United States will suffer some type of mental health issue. In fact, employee burnout affects over 75% of every worker in the United States. That is the reason that Georgia Pacific has partnered with Spring Health to provide mental health guidance and consulting for any of our employees. Spring Health provides confidential 24/7 crisis support, flexible scheduling, and up to 8 free sessions for you and any family member over the age of 6 years old. Signing up for Spring Health is extremely easy. All you have to do is enter your Georgia Pacific email address, and then within 1 to 2 minutes, you're up and running and have your account all set up and ready to get the assistance you may need. Mental well-being affects all of us. It doesn't matter whether you're on the line, whether you work in the office. So we're all in this boat together. So we all need to help each other. And when we see people struggling, we need to help them get the resources that they may need. If you are going through rough times, it's okay to speak up. There's people out there to help you, and we want to give you the help, not only through our partnership with Spring Health, but through your coworkers, your friends. And it's okay to reach out wherever you may find support to get you through these rough times.